Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review the settings for the personal daily loss limit and the personal daily profit target. They will show up here in this bar next to the daily loss limit. Under the settings area, under the risk tab, right in the center we have the personal daily loss limit and the personal daily profit target. This is a 50K combine account which would have a daily loss limit of $1,000. But if we wanted to stop and lock ourselves out before then, let's make it $500. Be sure to choose the action. It's currently set to do nothing, but we can have a choice to either liquidate the positions or liquidate the positions and also block the account from being traded any longer that day. This is a good choice for the daily loss limit. Be sure to hit save and you'll see the new personal daily loss limit is set to $500. We can also set a personal daily profit target to avoid overtrading. Let's make this $250. Again, the action is to do nothing, to liquidate position or liquidate and block. Let's choose liquidate and block. By saving, we can now see them at the top. If you do not want these to be displayed, but still be active, there is a privacy area, and we can show or hide our loss limits, such as this here. Daily loss limit, it will be hidden, and of course, we can hide the rest of these as well. So let's unhide. We can go back. Now we are back to our trading panel. That concludes the settings for the personal daily loss limit and the personal daily profit target.